Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You must replace the battery to increase the battery health percentage. Software cannot raise it. First, confirm the maximum capacity in settings so you can verify improvement later. Once done, back up your phone to iCloud or Finder and set charge to around 50 to 80%. That reduces stress during work. Make sure you have quality tools and a compatible replacement battery, OEM or verified third-party. Don't waste time debating settings. Start with the backup and the right parts now. Follow methodical steps. Power the iPhone off and remove the pentalobe screws. Use a suction cup and pick to open the display a few millimeters. Work slowly to avoid flex cable damage. Once accessible, disconnect the battery connector before touching logic board components. That prevents shorting. Peel the adhesive strips under the battery. Pull evenly and slowly. Fit the new battery, press adhesive into place, reconnect the battery connector and display cables, then close and tighten screws. Make sure connections are secure before powering up. After reassembly, power on and check battery health in settings to confirm capacity increase. This validates the replacement. For optimal reporting, charge to 100% uninterrupted, then let the phone discharge to around 10 to 20% once. This helps the system recalibrate the battery gauge. If the percentage doesn't update or you see errors, power off and reopen to verify connectors and adhesive seating. If problems persist, visit an authorized service provider. Bad connectors or incompatible batteries cause most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.